so we are actually on our way to Applebee's. Are we doing Applebee's? Do we decide?
Yeah, the
Applebee's or something like that. For our birthday celebration, it's just me and Joan Boone.
Yep.
Say hey, Joan Boone.
Hey.
Yes. So it is our birthday. I can't believe he is 6 and I am 27, almost 30. But yes, super excited. We're about to eat. Then we're gonna come home. We're gonna do some cake. We're gonna do some presents for him.
Presents for me and Mommy.
Uh-oh, hold on. Alright. You know, so here we go. We are walking. Ready, buddy? Alright. Alright. Let's see where we go in. Are you sure that's what you want? You want pizza? Out of all that yummy food?
Wait, what is this thing? What is this?
Let me see. That is what? Yes.
What is it?
I am getting. Where's the Have you decided what you want?
Yeah.
All right.
So I'm gonna have this.
So you want slices? You can have that, but you're not gonna get fries. Okay. So look, you get an entree of whatever you want right here, and then you get one of these sides down here. So what kind of like meat or whatever do you want? They have grilled chicken Alfredo, they have chicken tacos, cheeseburger,
And corn dogs.
Cheesy pizza, and chicken tenders. So which one of these on the top? That's chicken quesadilla. So which one sounds good?
Whoa. I don't know. What the heck are these? I can't stop looking.
He's undecided. Okay, so
wait. I think I know what I
me.
want. I'll just have what's it called?
Let's see.
What is it called again?
I don't know yet. You said what?
Yeah, I want this and
What one?
this strawberry slices
Okay.
and a cheese pizza.
Okay, perfect. So that one, that.
That.
What kind of drink? You can have chocolate milk, apple juice, orange juice, or you can have, or you can have like a Sprite or something.
A Sprite? Oh yeah, a Sprite.
Kid Sprite?
Yeah. Kid Sprite.
There. Alright, so we've decided what he's having, and he is having cheese pizza with strawberry slices and Sprite.
Yeah.
I'm probably just going to stick with getting a hamburger or cheeseburger, something like that. My dad keeps calling me. He's calling me right now, but I'm actually out having dinner. I'm going to see. Give me 1 second. Alright, so what are we about to do?
We're gonna play some tic-tac-toe, best out of 3 wins.
Alright, let's go. You go first.
No, I should have blocked you. What did
Go.
you do?
Oh, crud. I didn't even realize. You're about to lose.
What the heck I'm doing?
Something's wrong with this guy.
Mm-hmm.
You're about to lose, bro. Watch this. Watch
I'm
this.
not.
Look at this guy.
I'm
Oh my gosh, he won. Oh, okay, so you won, so you get to go again. I don't know how he won this. Okay, so we're halfway through this game, and this guy thinks he's about to win again.
No, I'm so bad.
Oh. Yeah, so
How you feel about
I got
this,
my drink.
Mommy?
It's a
How you feel about
Captain
this,
Bahama
Mommy?
Mama, which is so
Mommy,
good, by the way.
Look, I won!
How did you win again, dude?
My secret plan. I'm not
Dang,
telling
so
you.
he's about to go again.
One more. Okay.
All right. So what do you want exactly for your birthday?
Well, I wanted a Fortnite score in fantastic gymnastics.
Oh, okay. So what is that? That's a game?
Yeah, board game.
Oh, okay. So you want so you want a board game, fantastic gymnastics. Okay.
And a Fortnite score.
Fortnite scar. Oh, that would be pretty dope.
Yeah, it's only for like $38.
It's actually $39.99, so almost 40. Would you almost got it. But yeah, so it's about.
It was so close to 40.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, so
at least it's not a lot.
we're gonna go after this. We're gonna go home, open your presents, and then sing your happy birthday, which is gonna be dope. So yeah, I just actually got the 2 for 22, so that way Zay could go ahead and get some
and I want Robux
as well.
for my birthday too. I want Robux for my birthday too.
Whatever he doesn't eat, I'm just gonna, I guess,
I want
eat
Robux
for him.
for
I
my
don't like
birthday.
shrimp, so I'm not gonna eat
Hey
shrimp.
guys, I want Robux for my birthday.
You want Roblox?
I already have Robux.
Yeah, no, Robux.
Yeah,
okay, so what
Robux.
if I don't get you Robux? Maybe, I don't know. We'll just see what you got. We'll just see, because we already got you stuff. Which I'm seriously so excited about my headphones. But yeah, so we're gonna be heading to the beach later, and I'm gonna spend some time with him. So I'll start recording when we get our food.
Yep. Come on, Mom. Let's play
Hopefully he
some
doesn't
tic-tac-toe.
win. Okay, so guess what, dude?
What?
Okay, we're halfway through our game. So far, we're both tied. But anyways,
We're
so
not
guess what? Yes, we are. Well, look, like nobody won yet. I mean, you have more points than me, but on this board, we're tied. We're not done yet. Okay, so guess what tomorrow is? Tomorrow is the release for the official. What is it? It's not a trailer, but it's the official. I guess you could call it trailer. Everybody calls it something different. For the COD. Yeah, it's watch. I'll show you on my phone.
Okay.
Watch.
I'm not gonna get shocked.
For the Cold War. It's a Cold War reveal. But it's gonna be so dope because me and my husband both agreed that yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna play some Call of Duty.
You own that, right? That game?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, because you play with your friends all the time.
Yeah. I'm gonna play me some Call of Duty. That's some good Sprite.
Is it?
Yeah.
Isn't it so peaceful with just me and you?
Yeah. No, Bella and Sire won't make a mess with the drink. They won't do anything foolish or don't be loud.
Yeah.
So it's just me and you.
Yeah, and I love it. All right, let's finish this game really quick.
Before we get off to it. Oh gosh, my pet.
I got it.
Gosh, okay. I don't know what you're going for. Okay, I'm just gonna do. Oh. No, you not.
Yes, I am.
No, because I'm gonna block you.
So, it's a tie. I told you this one's a tie. So guys, he actually won 2 out of the 3 games, so he's a winner.
Yep.
So what do you want since you're the winner?
Want what?
Like you won, so like you get a prize. What kind of prize do you want?
Like a prize candy?
Yeah, like a prize candy or like
The pop candy in your mouth.
oh, Pop Rocks?
Yeah.
Ooh, maybe if it's not too late we can go get some. I know exactly where to get some, dude.
Oh. Maybe Target or Walmart.
Yeah, I think we should go to Target or or even the dollar store has
What
them
if they
too.
run out?
Dollar store is probably has them.
Yeah.
And if we go there, we can get a whole bunch of them.
Yeah.
Just a thought. So, dude, out of all the games that you play, what is your favorite 2 games?
Well, the real truth is, it's actually just Call of Duty and, well, Call of Duty Black Ops 4 and the other Call of Duty I have in, what's it called?
Rocket League?
Yeah, Rocket League.
And Rocket League?
Yeah.
For real, yeah. You're a beast in Rocket League, dude.
Yeah. Mommy,
Alright,
take
so
the
our
knife.
hot wings are here. I got the knife, buddy. Okay, so our hot wings are here. We're gonna do a little bit more talking.
Yeah.
And just enjoying our time.
I'm not gonna eat yet. I'm gonna wait.
And we'll talk to y'all later.
Say his real name.
Yes, alright, so we got our food right now. We're about to eat.
Look at my pizza, my strawberry slices. I got an applesauce too.
That's so good, huh?
Yeah, it's time to eat.
Time to eat.
What's up, guys? You ready?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? You ready?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
To the beach.
Yeah?
Beach,
You ready to go to the beach?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Yes. What's wrong with you? You gotta wipe your face off.
How are you?
You ready? Jump up. So, has anybody decided what we eating? I think since it's Junior's birthday, he should decide. Especially since you always eat pizza.
I know, and you could still get fries or something else. You don't have to have a burger, but like just a burger joint.
Yeah.
So like, yeah, burger.
Sorry, baby, but it's not about you today. Junior, what do you want?
Burger and fries?
Burger and fries.
Mommy!
Hey, fat boy. You having fun in the
Can
sun?
we get a bucket and a shovel?
Something to build sandcastles?
we get
Yeah,
a-
maybe not that one though. That's kind of small.
Like super fun. Smell it. One closer. One step closer to the food.
Oh, Rick and Morty? Yeah, I know. I got the hoodie. Come on. Come on, boy. Go get some food.
Yeah.
New York pizza. Babe, this is only pizzas?
And what's the photos on that side? Alright, sit down.
Cute puppy. Puppy.
Down.
Can't get out.
Alright, so they are learning how to ride on a boogie board right now. They've been waiting, and this guy got some of that action. Is it gross? You got some... Junior! Junior! Was it gross?
Yes, it was gross.
It was in your mouth? Ew! Junior! You like seawater?
No, it came in my mouth.
Bro, that's
I was
gross.
sleeping and there's the water came in my mouth.
Oh, for real. Look at her. It was scary. Junior, wait for your daddy, Junior.
She closed her eyes before me.
You gotta wait for your daddy. Okay?
Fire, go!
Get! Good job, Jaleesa! Jaleesa, good job!
I want to try one more time.
I know, your hair is in your eyes. Hold on. Let me get your hair. Hold on.
I got it in my mouth.
So then you just spit it out. You gotta always close your mouth and nose. That's it. You just gotta close your mouth and nose. This guy. I don't know what he's doing. Junior! How'd you like that salt water in your mouth? No, don't, no sir.
You better get away from me.
Jaleesa, what happened to holding on? Oh, these seagulls trying to attack, bros.